Hey, so I'm back with another video. Today I have a very special video. Most times I do just one product for an unboxing. This time I'm doing two. So, first product is an iPhone SE 2020, 64 gigabytes. I actually recommend this phone to parents who want to get their kid their first phone. It's great because it's relatively cheap, it's $400. It's small and it comes with all the great family features that come with iPhones. Um, and your kids can talk to their friends easily. The second product is an Apple Watch Series 3. It's also great because it's 90% of the features of the latest Apple Watch, but it's less than half the price. I happened to get this one on sale for $169. Smartwatch for my old phone would have been more expensive, my LG Stylo 5. So, without further ado, let's get into the iPhone first, because I needed to set up the watch. Of course, Apple, true to themselves, unboxing's always brilliant. Just slide out. And there's the box. The iPhone's actually raised, and I think this is its actual size. We have designed by Apple in California thing, and the actual phone. Inside the little sticker thing, it's just, how to turn on your phone, warranty stuff, a little SIM thing for putting in your new SIM card, and two white Apple stickers. That brings my collection of Apple stickers currently to 4. Put that back in there, out of order, because I can't manage myself. Special thing about this phone is, despite being Apple's latest, it still has a home button, and this is the coolest thing I've ever held. It's freezing. Here's the back. The thing about it is, it has the latest chip and has a very good camera. Get your great phone. We have earpods, which I will never ever touch, because I don't like earbuds. You have the power cord, and despite this being nearly at the end of Apple's slimy decision to stop offering charging brick, 5 watt, not all that good. So I suppose let's power on the actual phone. I think it has battery in it. They usually have like 40-50%. I love just peeling off the back of these things. Another interesting about this phone is now the Apple logo's on the back in the middle. It's usually up at the top with iPhone lower down. So, still really cold. And looks like it has enough battery to turn on at least. Annoyingly, the home button isn't real. It's fake. It's a little haptic touch. And there's no headphone jack. Jerry-rig everything did a durability test, and it passed. It's a very good phone, but it does fingerprint very easily. Alright. Power mode. English. United States. No, back. I'll do this, hold on. Alright, I'm back. What happened while you were gone was I set it up using my iPad so I could skip a whole lot of the process. Basically, what I did was I did my fingerprint and signed my Apple ID. That's actually a really cool way to do it, too. What you do is your iPad or iPhone shows up with a little camera, and your new product shows with this little, dot thing. You put the dot thing up to the camera, and that authenticates. Then you put in your iPad or iPhone's password. I say don't transfer. I like that whole setup thing myself. Now it's going to just set up my Apple ID. So yeah, I'll have reviews of these two in like 2 months. I also have these as separate videos if you only want to watch the SE or the... I already know I'm gonna agree, and I already know what the thing is. Yes, continue, just do all that for my iPad. I said that. Apple Pay, set that later in wallet. Said later. Not buying stuff from you, Apple. Continue. I don't think I'm gonna be sharing that. Don't. I get like 3. It's cool that they let you customize how clicky it is, though. I picked 3. These look identical to me. I'll do standard. Open the iPhone. Get started. And that's it. Now on to the... Yes. Now on to the next unboxing. I'll plug this thing in real fast. Actually, I'm gonna need it for... The next thing, which is my... Okay. Which is now my new Apple Watch. Now, this is sadly been corrupted by Apple and no longer has a power brick. Or on the flip side, it's... hold on, I'm trying to get this thing to come up. I suppose corrupted by Apple's bad machine. They literally made this product. Come on, Screw it. Scratchies. Good scratchies. I don't want to do this, but you made me phone. I guess watch. You made this happen. Yeah, me just casually screaming attack. Seriously, I can make a reality TV show out of this. Now that I've got it done, I can just pull it out. Hello? Yes, hello? Oh, I see, the little flap thing was underneath. So much for seamless. Probably half a minute to... Good, maybe. You made this happen, watch. Oops. You know, for an Apple product, this is actually a very bland box. It just says Apple Watch and the thing. You know, how you open this box is you just pull this tab and the longest... This is actually a interesting box. And the longest designed in Apple like California thing on Earth is what's on top. It's thick, too. Really thick. What's inside of this is... Apple Watch. This little thing. It's how you attach it to your wrist and how you change the bands. Basic how to, like, set up the watch. Warranty garbage that nobody's ever read. More how to change the watch face. And initial band. This is medium large, I guess. I guess small medium's what's on it by default. Won't need that. Interesting that they give you both bands. Inside here is the charger that kind of just loops out. hand reveals. USB to Apple Watch thing. Band, which I'll never use. I guess that's why that's the thickest one I've ever seen. Sadly, no Apple stickers and no power brick. Really, Apple? Come on. They're like probably 10% of why some people buy an Apple Watch is exclusively for the stickers. I'm sure at least somebody's bought Apple Watch exclusively for the stickers. If you have, you're insane, but, and also probably very wealthy, but if you can spend $300 in stickers. Can't get things back in. No, I actually keep, like, every tech product box, including the dead tech. I'm weird here. Alright. Intriguingly, unboxing is actually one of my most popular. And inside here, we have the actual watch. More instructions if you want you to know how to do this. Small enough to fit on my wrist. That's interesting. Once again, the coldest thing I've ever felt. The sensors, Apple Watch Series 338mm aluminum, because I have small wrist, aluminum case, Ion-X glass, composite back, GPS, WR50M. There's the back. There's the front. I'll put this on my wrist. Actually, I think I'll set it up and I'll put it on my wrist. Oh, I am connected to Wi-Fi. Just tap the Apple Watch app. Start pairing. I have to pair it. It's starting, I guess. Hello, please start. Thank you. Hi. Yeah, work. So, I think it has fairly big bezels, but you know what? It was cheap. I'm gonna deal with it. Hello. Okay, it just dimmed. And this thing has the S3 chip. It has 8 gigs of storage. I find that nice to know for no reason. I think actually it's a glass back. My iPhone. This thing's all aluminum, depends on who you are. This is the GPS only. I didn't see the need for cellular. Okay, now please work. Please work. Okay, low battery to continue. It's connected to its charger. I will be back with the charges for a little while. Okay, we're back. Over an hour later, it's finished updating my phone. Now we can finally do my Apple Watch. Open up that app. Put them near each other. Okay, let's do. It's bugging me about this all day. Start pairing. Set it up for myself. And finally. And good. Now it's setting it up. My Apple Watch is paired to my phone now. That's the cool dog that I was talking about earlier. It's giving me a little cool thing. Set it up. I wear it on my right wrist. Right. Okay, it's just loading or something. Cool. Okay. You sit up on. So it's communicating with it. Okay, we get it. Are you, like, doing something now? Ah, good. Invitation for the digital crown. It's on the top. Continue. I'm going to agree because it already spent the money on this, and I don't really want to say no. Setting your accounts might take a few minutes. It never does. Unless if you were on, like, stupidly slow internet. Which I'm actually not. However, the way that this took so long to update might as well have been. And why didn't I have iOS 14? Well, on the bright side, I just got an email saying that my iCloud account to use to set up a new Apple Watch. I never got that email when I was setting up my phone, but okay. Good. Workout tracking, sure. Okay. Let's see. Now it's just finishing up real fast, and then I'll get to my think we'll do smallest text. Continue. Don't add passcode. Set it up. I'll be back when I finish that. Back, now emergency SOS. Yeah, let's do that. I think we'll choose later. And it's just syncing. So, that's it. I'll be back with an unboxing later, and I guess, no, a review later, and see, I have a music video, it's Inside World, and be back later. Bye.